It's not going to move around as much as it was.
What are you eating there? Has it got a worm in it?
No, it's a seed. It's a seed, it's not a worm.
Thanks, Granddad.
It doesn't got a worm in it.
It's a seed. You can stand by your granddad, honey.
I need a human shield.
I can't get that.
Is it getting you?
She's trying to get out.
Declan's just dealing with it.
Well, he doesn't care, does he?
Yeah, he pushes it out of the way every once in a while.
Here now. You can see out there better. Oh my goodness, what is that cute? Jimmy brought that.
That's nice.
Look here, Declan.
Deck. Decky, say cheese.
Look here. Say cheese.
He's fighting it.
Declan! Say cheese! He's just scooting around.
I think he's decided the other side might be safer. Don't shake that, Berlin. Don't shake the bird feeder.
Oh no, don't, honey, it's just barely standing there anyway. Don't mess with it.